Here we have google.com/webmasters, and this is useful just like Google Analytics was for finding keywords that people use to come to your page. So if you haven't created an account already, I show you how to do that in the website analysis section of the course. Go ahead and log into your Webmaster Tools account. When you open it up, you just click on the website that you've added to Webmaster Tools, and then you'll get to see your dashboard. Now over on the left, you'll see a number of different options. We're going to click on Search Traffic and go down to Search Queries. Now I only created this website or added this website to Webmaster Tools not too long ago for the demo purposes for the course, so I don't have any data. This is the basic view, but if you did have data and you've had a site up for a while, this is what it's going to look like. This is from searchenginejournal.com. This is the basic view, as you can see up at the top. And you'll see the keywords that people commonly use to come to your site. You get some data on the impressions, the clicks, the CTR, and then your ranking within the search results. So for example, guest blogging services, we're ranked number 17. That means we're the 17th result to come up. And this is with change, meaning you can see how well you're doing month over month, year over year, day over day, whatever you want it for these keywords. And if you want, you can download this data to an Excel spreadsheet. What you can also do is click on one of those keywords and you get to see your top ranking pages for that keyword. So obviously if that keyword is somewhere within the URL, that's going to be a high ranking page, but you can also see other articles that maybe you didn't even realize you were ranking for as far as that keyword goes. Maybe you weren't even trying to rank for those. So with this average position data, if you see that, let's say you're ranked somewhere between 11 and 30, you can look at those pages and see, how could I improve my ranking with those? Maybe I need to use the keyword one or two more times. Maybe I need to give them more information, create more words. But any way you can to get up to the top 10 results is going to be great. If you go back to the search queries and you click on top pages, the tab we just clicked on instead of top queries, it'll tell you your top web pages on your site. And you can do the basic, and with change view, you can also download this data. And if you had a site for a long time, you would get something like this, right? You have a lot more pages, you get the number of impressions, clicks, CTR. And what you can do is click on one of these pages, and it's going to give you data on which keywords are most commonly used to find that page. So it's kind of the same as clicking on a keyword and finding your highest ranked pages, but this is just the reverse process. A page that's doing really well, you can figure out which keywords are helping people get to that page.